If you want to embed a Canva created image inside a website, blog, or article, and also comply with accessibility guidelines to add an alt text attribute to your images, here's how to do that. As you might already know, doing this will ensure the screen readers can also pick on the image's alt text attribute. That's why it's really important to have alt text added to images. For people who understand HTML, you know that the Canva embed is not actually an image but an iframe block. And so we cannot manually add an alt attribute to this HTML code because there is no image tag here. To meet that need, we will now use the ability in Canva to add alt text. Please stick to the end or use the chapter timestamps given in the video to see some really useful guidelines on what needs to be written for a good alt text as per HTML standards and guidelines. We will also see how to test the alt text added if it reflects properly on your website, because that's the only way we can ensure this worked. So here I have the image in Canva and I'm going to quickly embed this into my WordPress website. Click on share, click on more, then you can find the embed option, or you can just search for it here. Click on this one and click this to activate the embed. Now copy the HTML embed code, or you can take the smart embed link. I usually take the HTML code because that has a little bit more of customization options in it. So once copying, I'll go into, let me get rid of this block here. I'll add a new custom HTML and then paste that over here. All right, so now this is embedded. Let's check the preview. Okay, it's over here, and we can also get rid of this footer by editing this portion of the code. I don't want that. Just the image will do, and then click on update. Let's now check the post. All right, so the image opens up here. Now let's look into the situation where we can update the alt text. Back in Canva, right click on your image where you want to add the alternative text. Click on the alternative text option here and add whatever you want here. So this is where the guidelines will come in. If you check this one, I'll provide the links below. Over here there are some general guidelines on how or what we need to add to provide text as alternative text to images. I'll leave the links below in the description so you can go and check it, but I just want to give a call out to this particular note which is really good. So back in Canva, I'm going to say going with the flow image and then click on save. I don't want to mark as decorative because I want this to go as the alternative text and not any default text here. So I'll write this and click on save. So it gets updated. That's it. I don't have anything to do within WordPress because since the code is already given, it will take care and pull all the data from the image in Canva. And now is the time where we can test if the alternative text that we added in Canva is reflecting on this WordPress website. So I'm going to right click on this image and then click on inspect. And within this, the developer tools the pane opens up here at the bottom, and under the elements tab, I'm going to click inside and hit a Ctrl F to bring up the find option, and let us paste the alternative text that I had added in Canva here, and you can see that there is a result which shows that the alt text has been added. It says that this is the image from the Canva embed, and alt text is the same as what we have given, going with the flow image. There's actually two hits, which is again to do something with the JSON conversion, so I'm not going into that. What we are concerned about now is the alt is reflecting or not, which is actually reflecting, which is good. That's what we wanted. So that's how we can test it. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.